Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the exact device or app model and the firmware or build version so you target Val 59 precisely. Once done, export system logs and capture the timestamps where Val 59 appears. This helps isolate triggers. Make sure to back up configuration and user data and create a restore point or snapshot before changing anything. This step prevents rollback problems and lets you test fixes confidently without risking production settings or losing critical data. You now reproduce Val 59 in a controlled environment and record the exact sequence that triggers it, because seeing the error repeatedly reveals causal links. Next, compare your logs against known patterns and inspect dependencies, permissions, or mismatched versions that commonly cause code 59. Once identified, apply a targeted patch or configuration change, modifying one variable at a time so you can measure impact. After each change, retest the sequence and review logs to confirm the error signal weakens or disappears. You finish by validating the fix across multiple scenarios and running regression tests to ensure Val 59 doesn't resurface in other flows. Then document the exact steps you used, update runbooks, and schedule active monitoring for the next 24 to 72 hours so any recurrence is caught quickly. If the error persists, escalate with a clear packet, exported logs before / after configs, and a concise reproduction sequence. One key troubleshooting tip: if intermittent, increase log verbosity and correlate timestamps across systems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.